So today we shall be creating a digital wallet with yellowcard. Yellowcard can be used to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Yellowcard can also be used to receive cryptocurrencies. This can be Bitcoin, can be USDT, and various coins. You can also send cryptocurrencies to yellowcard users or to external wallets. Yeah, you can earn a 20% commission by inviting your friends to join and use yellowcard. Yeah, so the link I've left in the description below will take us to this page. So here we can see here is what we shall need to set up your account in just a few minutes. The country of residence, tell us which country you live in, the personal details, give us your name and date of birth, your login details, create your login credentials with your mobile number. We have account security. This is where we shall secure our account. Yeah, so here we have the country you live in, like which country are you from. Here we shall select our country of residence. You can search for the country right here. I'm in Uganda, so I'll search for Uganda right here. You search for the country that you're in, then we proceed. Yeah, so here we shall fill in our personal details. We shall fill in the first name, second name, I mean the last name, right here. So the details we are to fill in right here are supposed to match the information we have on our government issued ID or the document you'll use to verify. Yeah, so here we shall fill in our date of birth. Yeah, starting with the day, month, and then the year. The month, we shall have it there. And then we shall have the year. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like if you see value in the video. So here we shall verify our phone number as well. We shall fill in the phone number right here. So we shall start with 7 since we already have the country code. I'll be blurring this out. Yeah, so once we are done with the phone number, right below there they're asking for the password, so we shall create a password. Yeah, so they've given us what we need to follow, like for the password to be valid. They need at least 8 characters, uppercase letter, we have special characters, lowercase letter. Yeah, so the password must contain all those. Yeah, for example, here I will use let me use an illustration here. Yeah, so I'll start with a capital letter. You can use anything of your choice. Then I'll have lowercase right here, and then I can add some random digits. And then also here, right there, we see they also need a special character. This can either be exclamation mark, it can be a full stop or an at, anything. Yeah, just make sure you don't forget your password, or you can have it saved somewhere. Yeah, so I was illustrating with that. You can create a password of your own. Yeah, so after that you proceed. So we shall verify the phone number that we provided. So they're going to send a code to that phone number, so we shall verify that. We'll check the phone for the message, then we fill it in. So I'll check and then fill that in right here. Yeah, so in case you do not receive the message, you can wait for the countdown right down to end, then you resend so that you fill that in. Yeah, so mine has come. This is the one-time password that I received. It's 893064. So you fill in that, then we proceed. Yeah, so here we shall also need to create a PIN of our choice once we're done with verifying the phone number. So this PIN will be used to log into your account whenever you want to log in. Yeah, you'll use the PIN. So we shall confirm the PIN right here. So this PIN will also be used for making transactions, like they will require the PIN for you to make transactions on your account. Yeah, so we also need to add an email address in case you forget the password. So you can easily use that to reset. Yeah, so here they're asking us if we have a sign up code. Yeah, please, you can use my promo code right there. It's 827222009. Input the promo code to support the channel and support me as well. Yeah, thanks for that. So after you've put the promo code, we shall now proceed. So here we see it has been applied, then we shall proceed to next. So we shall wait for it to load up. Yeah, so we have a verification email we have received. Yeah, so we shall check our emails for the message to verify our email address that we submitted. So we shall tap on verify to verify the email address. Yeah, so we shall now get the yellowcard app as well. You can download it on your phone. Yeah, so we shall be getting it from Play Store. Open up your Play Store right there to download the app. Then you can easily search for yellowcard. So wait for it. So this is how it looks like. I've already installed it on the phone, that's why it's showing open. Yeah, but that's how it looks like. You can install it into your phone and you can log in with the credentials we have been providing. Yeah, so since we already created an account, we can simply log in right here. Select your language. So we shall select English. So this is where we started from when we were creating the account. So since we completed that, we shall log into our account. We use the phone number and then the password. So fill in the phone number and then the password as well. Yes, so don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video. It really supports the channel a lot. Yeah, then also feel free to leave the flag of wherever you're watching from, which country you're watching from. Please feel free to leave it in the comment section. Yeah, in case you have any video ideas, feel free to drop it also in the comment section. So we shall verify. So they need to verify it's really you trying to log into your account, into the account. Yeah, so this is the verification code that came to that. We shall fill that in to verify. So it's 490031. Yeah, proceed. So this is how it looks like on your mobile phone. For those using the mobile phone. Yeah, so this is how the interface on of the mobile app is like. Yeah, so here we are seeing complete setup. So remember, as I said earlier, they will need us to verify our identity. They will need us to verify the email, which we already did. We verified the email. Yeah, so we need to verify our identity. So we shall click on verify identity. Yeah, so here we have verify identity. Your personal information helps us complete your profile so you can start trading on your account. Yeah, so this is also quite important. We need to make sure we are verified. So these are some of the things that they will need from us. Yeah, so here some of the questions we need to fill in. They're asking us what our source of funds is. Yeah, you can fill this in depending on whatever it is. Let me proceed. What's your nationality? You fill that in also, then we proceed. Your ID number, you fill it in there. Yeah, so we confirm the details that we provided. Yeah, so we need to check that these details that we provided earlier are the same as those that are on our national ID, because we shall be needed to verify that. Yeah, so yellowcard wants to access your national ID data. Yeah, so this allows them process your personal details, contact information, document information. Yeah, so they need to confirm this. So we shall proceed with the verification process as well. We shall yeah, so you can see how the interface looks like right here. So we have here we have wallet, we have pay, we have account, we have support. There are some of the currencies that we have there. We have the dollar, BTC, USDT. Yeah, so that's it basically. Yeah, please make sure to hit the subscribe and